The most famous reindeer of all.
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. So today, as you saw by the title of the video, I'm doing a Marshall's makeup haul. I'm so excited. So I went to Marshall's today, right? And I bought a whole bunch of makeup. Not a whole bunch, but like a lot. I'll tell you guys like everything and the prices and stuff, I guess, if you have a Marshall's where you live. But anyways, first thing I got was this Paris themed makeup thingy. And like, if you saw my last makeup video, actually I don't know if it was in there, but I have a makeup thingy right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like a clear plastic makeup thing that I got from Ross. This thing has little clips at the top, right? You open that section, right? We get this, and then like you can open these too, like the makeup things that I've seen everywhere that I've always aspired to have. Well, not really, because I didn't used to be into makeup, but this thing is huge. I love it, and it's Paris themed, and y'all know I have a slight obsession with Paris, but we're not gonna talk about it. Let's get down to the makeup, shall we? Eek! Okay, so I'm gonna just start at the top. I got this HD Flawless setting powder from Absolute New York, because I don't have a setting powder. I also don't know how to use a setting powder. So I'm gonna have to like figure that out, but I didn't have one, and I know you're supposed to have one for whatever reason, so I got one. If you don't know, like if you're new here or it's your first time seeing my face, I'm new to the makeup scene. I just started makeup this year, like a couple of months ago, and I was like forced to at that point. Like I didn't have a choice, so I kind of don't know what I'm doing. Oh no, I really don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I got a setting powder because I didn't have one. There's that. It was $4. Let me just toss all my makeup on my bed so I can put it in there. Anyways, next I got the Beauty Concept Felt Tip Extreme Black Eyeliner Pen. It's an oversized felt tip. I have eyeliner, but I don't know. The one that I have is like, I don't yeah. This was $2, I think. Yeah. This is what it looks. It's actually kind of pretty. It's really pretty. This is what it looks like. That thing is sharp, baby. You see that? That is sharp. It's scary. Maybe it'll help me though. Anyways. Okay. Next. I got lip gloss for $2. I don't really think the brand matters, but if it does, it's IZME New York. I just got it because I wear lip gloss all day, every day. I wear lip gloss before I wear like colored stuff. I have lip gloss on, so I would try it, but I have some on. Oh, it smells really good though. It smells really good. What's in that? I don't know, but it smells nice. Anyways. Yeah, there's that. It's just clear lip gloss. Okay, then my favorite makeup brand ever. I got some moisturizer, e.l.f. moisturizer lock primer. I love e.l.f. This was also $3. I love e.l.f. They're like my favorite brand since I've been in the makeup, on the makeup scene, and I love them, bro. Like, so I got their primer. And I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup today, but if I do, I'll try it out. Then I got a lip scrub from the same brand, the IZME New York brand. It's just a normal lip scrub. This was $3. Or no, I don't have a lip scrub, but I heard that lip scrubs and face scrubs are good for you. It's good to exfoliate at least once a week. And then I got this I Love Revolution Red Velvet shadow palette. They have like a, this was $6. They have like a preview of the colors right here, but like I don't know, I didn't get to look inside it, but it looks like a chocolate bar, and that's what caught my eye. I was like, what is sexy? Oops. Oh, they have a really bright pink in here. Ooh, okay, so I think my favorites might be Cupcake. Okay, hold on. These are the colors, okay? I think my favorites might be Cupcake. And I don't wanna say this bright pink, the beetroot, but that pink is vibrant, bro. Like that is a one pigmented pink. I don't like pink though, so yeah. But that's one vibrant pink, bro. Alright. So I got another palette, and then I bought another palette called Cara Beauty. This was $7, and I didn't get to open it because it was in plastic, so I don't know what the inside looks like. And I was just like hoping that it was cute colors that I could make use of. If my mom is watching this, don't shoot me, Mom. We're just gonna pray that it's cute. So the palette is called Desert Oasis. It's a pro shadow palette. I don't know what that means. Like pro shadow, I don't know what that means, but it just says pro shadow palette at the bottom. This thing is like really soft though. Okay, so actual palette. The palette itself is really soft. I like that. Anyways, dear Lord, please let this be good colors. Okay. Oh. Okay, so they got some greens in here. They got some browns, they got some oranges, they got some greens, some blues, some purples, some pinks. They got just about every color in here except for white, honestly. That's cool. And that's a lot of sparkle in here. I like that. I like that. So it wasn't a waste of $7. That's pretty. Okay, 3 more things and then we're done. Or 4 more things. This might be like a very short video. Okay, so next I got then another beauty concept thing, just a makeup brush cleaner. I got it though because it's infused with rose water, and I put rose water on my face, so I figured why not clean with rose water. This was $3. Yeah, this is $3. This is what it looks like. Nothing crazy. Just ignore the makeup on my thumb. It came from the palette, but nothing crazy. Just a makeup cleanser. With rose water. Okay. Then I got a brow pencil from the brand. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. But I was gonna do my makeup yesterday for the video that I have to do, and I didn't realize I was in the middle of doing my eyebrows, and I ran out of my brow pencil. Like my brow pencil there was no more left of it. So I was like, oh well, I gotta go buy another one. This is what it looks like. I don't really see a brand. This was $3. Yeah, I don't see a brand though. It just says 2-in-1 brow perfector days. I'm assuming that's Spanish. This is what it looks like though. It's got a brush. Hold on. It's got a brush on one side and like a filler, I guess, on the other. Like a retractable filler. I don't know what that is. That's kind of cool though. Yeah, this is the pencil and this is the pomade. This is a pomade. You twist that too? Yeah. Whoa, okay. This is the pomade side and the other side is the actual pencil. So yay, I got that. Then I got this Spa Life, I think it's chamomile. A Spa Life chamomile natural petal serum, because the serum that I have I'm running out of, so I bought another one. I realized this morning I was running out because I use it every morning and every night. That's what you're supposed to do. It's like food for your face or whatever. But yeah, I bought it because it looks so cool. Do you see that, bro? Like, look, put it in the light. That looks amazing, my G. Oh my god, I'm scared to use it because it looks so pretty. But this was $5 if I didn't say that already. And then the last thing I bought was just a set of eyelashes. I already have 2 pair and I really don't need to buy any more, but these were only $4. They're from Bungalow Beauty Eyes. It's just a natural set. One's called Iris and one is called Black. I'm very confused. I think these 2 go together and these 2 go together. But it says they're lightweight, and that's honestly all I'm looking for in a pair of lashes, because the lashes I be having. But yeah, that's all I bought from Marshall's. And I spent under $50 for all that stuff, which is crazy. I'll probably do an updated what's in my makeup case, because I know I have one on my channel already, but that was like when I first started and I had like nothing. Now I have like a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go fill this up and then I might film a what's in my makeup case probably tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, comment your favorite makeup brand, and if you don't have a favorite makeup brand, comment your favorite brand of anything. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, use the description box, because I know you don't. Hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. I will upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays, not Fridays. I love you guys. I already said that like 3 times, but I do love you guys. Okay, bye. Oh wait, I'm sorry. That was very incorrect. Peace out.